Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can recover your account in chess.com. For some reason, you lose your account and you want to get it back. It's actually quite simple. Go to Google and type in chess.com customer support. Once you are here, you need to click on contact us. And once you are here, you want to click on help and support over here on how to contact support on both the web and mobile. Click on help and support. It's going to bring you to this page right here. And here it's going to pop up and you're going to see Cheska. So, hi, I'm Cheska, your friendly chess.com support. And just click on start conversation and just tell Cheska that you lost your account and you actually want to get it back. So, search for articles. So, how do I recover my account? There you go. Press enter. It's going to show you a lot of options, right? There you go. So, get more help. There you go. How can I help? Once in this with all the key details. So just enter here how you lost your account and how you want to recover it. After that, the AI will help you, or if it can't help you, a customer service agent will actually help you and talk to you. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.